Alrighty, hello class, and welcome to Let's Make Music, the music educational channel where we bring music lessons to you from home. I'm going to be your instructor through this channel. My name's Cody Hanna. I am 22 years old. I am living in sunny Arizona, and I'm an instrumental musician of about 15-16 years now. I'm also a music education student working on my bachelor's in music education, and I hope to be a teacher here sometime soon in the future. A little bit about this channel is our goal is to provide free online music lessons to anybody who wants them, and to provide it in a way that gives anybody, if you're a beginner or an intermediate or advanced level player, somewhere to learn something new in a fun and engaging way. And I also started this to help support my local music teachers, because I know I started this channel in July of 2020, and even now it's still going on 6, 7, 8 months that COVID has been ravaging the world. So since we can't really do music classes or music lessons in the way that we used to, this is my solution, and I'm hoping that anybody who wants to use it can, and can improve their knowledge and their understanding of music through the use of these videos. So the way that I'm generally planning on this to work is it's going to be a mix of virtual classroom settings like this. You'll see me in the little video box, but you'll also have my little Bitmoji dude with my dog Tallulah there. And we'll walk you through basically what I would present if I was teaching in front of a class. But we're also going to have some live video instrumental lessons on things like piano, guitar, drums. As soon as we have music theory down, we'll get into that, but that's the game plan as it stands. So without any further ado, give us a like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll get to learning some music together. If you want to check out our first video, go into our basic music theory playlist and find lesson 1 on standard musical notation. Have a good one, guys. We'll see you next time, and until that time, keep learning, keep practicing, and let's make music. Have a good one.